Setting up your Rainbird hose end timer is quick and frustration-free. Start by inserting 2 AAA alkaline batteries. Always use fresh batteries and replace them at the start of each season to ensure uninterrupted performance. The battery indicator on the LCD makes it easy to track power, so you'll never run out unexpectedly. Thread the timer inlet directly onto your outdoor water spigot and tighten by hand. Do not use PTFE tape. Next, connect your garden hose, soaker hose, or drip system, making watering simple and flexible. For drip irrigation, use a faucet connection kit with pressure regulator and backflow preventer. Then, connect 1/4-inch or 1/2-inch tubing. Use the oversized dial and LCD display to easily program your schedule. Start by setting the current day and time. Use the up and down buttons to change the time. Hold the button to more quickly advance the time. Then press OK. Use the arrows to select the correct day and press OK. Turn the dial to how often to set how often your timer waters. Use the up and down buttons and press OK to select specific days. Or choose cyclic mode to water every 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, or 12 hours, or every 1 to 14 days. To back out of cyclic mode and program watering by day of the week, simply press the Cancel Water button. For multi-station models, press Station to switch outlets and program each one individually. To set the time of day you want watering to start, turn the dial to Start Time. Select the first watering time with the up and down arrows and press OK. Add a second start time if needed. For multi-station models, press Station to set the start time for each outlet. The screen shows 1x or 2x, so you'll always know how many start times are scheduled. Turn the dial to how long to set the watering duration. For multi-station models, press Station to set the watering duration for each outlet. Finally, turn the dial to Auto to start automatic watering according to your program schedule. A quick glance at the LCD shows your selected days or cyclic schedule. The Water Now button lets you start manual watering outside of your programmed schedule to address immediate needs. With the rotary dial in auto mode, press Water Now to start manual watering. Press Station to cycle through the outlets. Use the up and down buttons to set the watering duration from 1 minute to 72 hours. Once the cycle expires, watering automatically resumes according to your programmed schedule. To cancel, press the Cancel Water button. This timer can also pause watering for up to 96 hours. When watering, press Cancel Water once to cancel the current cycle only. Watering stops in a few seconds. When not watering, press Cancel Water once to set a delay up to 96 hours. While in rain delay mode, the LCD displays the time remaining. When the delay period is over, your timer will automatically return to its programmed schedule. You can also press Cancel Water at any time to end the delay early. With Rainbird, watering becomes a helping hand, leaving your weekends for playtime and quiet evenings. It's more than a timer, it's backyard freedom.